It's the A Squared girl, Amaya there. How's your leap? How's your turn? How's your pasta today? So today we're gonna do something. It's kind of like a product review, but then it's like a healthy snack. So AJ, go ahead and grab our special snack, Cheez-Its. No, I'm just kidding, guys. You guys know Cheez-Its, but our real thing, Outshine. Okay, see this? And so today we're gonna today we have pineapple and we have what is this? Tangerine. AJ, can we shut the box of Cheez-Its? We're not eating Cheez-Its right now. We're doing something else. Yes. Okay, anyway, so here we go. You guys can see that and like that. And so then we're both gonna just pick one. AJ, do you want the tangerine one or do you want pineapple? Just kidding, you don't have a choice. Nice one.
Is tangerine the same as oranges?
Yes.
Pineapple.
Okay, so AJ's gonna try pineapple and I'm gonna try this one. So then we're just gonna give you our feedback on how it tastes. Okay, guys? So right now, we can talk about our day. So today, I did spring cleaning. So, yeah, I just cleaned up 2 rooms. And one room, it took me 4 hours to clean. Well, I was cleaning the whole time, but like, it took me 4 hours. The other one only took like about an hour, so that's pretty cool.
Today, I had extra sleep.
Yeah, she slept till like 1. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe it was like 2 or 3.
And I played Roblox. And the game I played was Adopt Me, and what's the one? And I played Baker's Valley.
Baker's Valley?
Mhm.
Oh.
It's a baking game where you get to bake cakes.
No pies?
No pies.
Oh man.
Just cakes. 3
No
layer
pies.
cakes, 2 cakes, square cakes, 1 cake. 5 cakes.
No pies.
But you can only do 1 cake at a time.
1 cake at a time. And so, yeah. So now I'm gonna give you my feedback. So the tangerine, it's like so good. So like, it's just like goodness in your mouth. It's just good. It's like a frozen orange, but it's like so good. So like, these are like just good on the go. We have fruit, but we don't have any. Like, I don't want to make the same smoothies I already made. If you know what I mean. So yeah, it's like really good. Like this is like on the go. It's like if you're in a garden house, you can like have this for breakfast. You can have this. I don't want you to eat freeze pop for breakfast. You can have a freeze pop with something else, but like, they say like, why are you eating a freeze pop in the morning? Well, it's just a healthy one. It's like a smoothie, so you can eat it in the morning. And yeah, it's pretty good. It got total 60 calories, and it comes with six in each package. Yeah, 6 in each package.
Some little mangoes in it.
It's not mangoes if it's pineapple smoothie.
Oh.
Pineapple. Yeah, see, some of them like the tangerine, it doesn't have chunks, but then like if you get like strawberry or pineapple, those have the chunks in it. Pineapple chunks. It's pretty good though.
Yeah. So my feedback, of course, it tastes like pineapple, but it's very good. And it says on the box, every bite of Outshine fruit bar tastes like biting into a piece of ripe fruit made with real fruit and fruit juice. It's the snack that refreshes you from the outside, inside.
Yeah,
it's so good.
She's really good at reading. One of the best I know. So that was just our little short video. I have more coming. She thinks this bracelet is hers.
Yeah, it came off my bag.
How did I find it on the floor? Don't you think it's mine if I find it on the floor?
No.
But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That A-squared girl, Amaya Adair. I forgot my saying. Oh, thanks
Ouch.
for watching. Oh no, wait. That square Amaya girl. That A-squared girl, Amaya Adair. Out. Thanks for watching.
Oh.
Oh wait, hold on, guys. I forgot to tell you like the benefits of You know, I'm just gonna put that down the description, like the description box, because I forgot to tell you the benefits of like tangerines and pineapples. So you guys understand though. So, guys, I'm just so excited because like I'm back. You guys, I'm back. I'm like gonna have new videos, new stuff. I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna do all this stuff. It's gonna be like, whoa, that's cool.
These chunks.
So yeah, just see you.
Thanks for watching.
See you guys next time.
That flexible girl out.